Yo, what up, man? Dudes, what is going on, everybody? What is going on? What is going on? Let me hit y'all with some music. Give me a second. Okay, boom. Very nice. We got some sick music going on. Yo, what is good, my guys? What is good? It is my birthday. Let's fucking go. Well, technically, yesterday was my birthday, but I didn't get to celebrate it with y'all or anything, and I was pretty busy yesterday. Hell, I barely even got to celebrate my birthday yesterday, but it's all good because I have a dinner scheduled tonight, and that's the big event. So before we're doing that though, I've been having some ideas, dude. You boys been brainstorming some vibe coding project ideas, and one thing that I thought would be really cool is, why don't we do a motherfucking little game thing, dude? So essentially what I want to make is, like, I was thinking of like drawing and stuff, and I was like, dude, remember like old ass Etch-A-Sketches? And I was like, wait, it'd be real easy to, like, you know, modern phones and tablets, you can just make that like an Etch-A-Sketch, as well as, like, you know, a web app for PCs and stuff. So I thought, how could you do this with like a streamer type vibe behind it? And I kind of read out an idea. So we're gonna start that. We got like a little bit over an hour to work on that for now, and then I'm probably gonna come back tonight, and depending on how this goes, how far we get, we'll either continue working on this or we'll start on the website that I've been meaning to do, which could be cool. I mean, shit, we could also just go through the list of ideas and whatever just appeals most to everyone, just pick and choose things to go on. But anyways, let's whip up our ID-izzle, whip up our chip-a-tizzle, boom. And let me move this over here. Yo, what up, QRT? Yeah, it's the birthday, dude. I'm 31 now. I'm old as fuck, boy. We're chilling. We're doing a little bit of coding before I go to birthday dinner and all that. But yeah. How's your day going? Oh, you're not. I'm 43. Oh, hell yeah. I mean, I look like I'm like probably like 50, so, you know, it is what it is. We got the Gandalf style going. Watch my favorite homes came down and saw your beard, to be honest. Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, it's funny, a lot of people come in, and when I do the game dev streams, and they're like, oh shit, your beard, dude. It's funny because when I do game streams, not many people say anything about that. It's kind of like neat to see the... I would expect a lot of like game devs modern days, you know, to have a beard though. We can just chill at home nowadays. Well, if you work remote, but I feel like post COVID, a lot of jobs are remote these days, which is kind of nice. So I'm having to lug your ass to the office every day. So I was confused because I was just brainstorming with ChatGPT here about like wanting to start planning out the project and stuff, and this motherfucker just started writing out the entire project. Like what like what's going on, bro? So we're doing this in React Native, but then this thing called Expo, and I've never made a mobile app before, and I've never seen this Expo thing before, so it's going to be interesting. Happy birthday. Unfortunately, it's midnight here, so have a nice day. Oh yeah, you too, man. I hope you have a good night. Thank you for the happy birthday. I appreciate it. Alright, so this is going to be a fun little learning project, chat. First, iOS Android app. Well, I made like a little dummy Android app when I was in college, for one of my computer engineering courses, but it wasn't anything like this. Is going to be more in depth than that one was, if you guys know what I mean. Oh shit. Wait, now he gave me an opus. Okay. MVP blueprints. Okay, so the expo is for like, okay, so this is for like the gyroscope shit, like in the phone, like to shake and all that stuff. Okay, native SVG for drawing. Okay, SVG, yeah, okay, nice. See, I was wondering if like you could do something with like OpenGL or something like that, but I don't know if like OpenGL is something that is really used to like render shit in the browser or like on an app. Like I think that's mainly like actual like graphics card type graphics, I'm pretty sure, right, chat? If anyone even knows what the fuck I'm talking about. I think OpenGL might be pretty damn outdated nowadays. Okay, so I'm gonna call this like let me make a project folder for this one real quick, chat. Go bada bing bada boom folder. Okay, we're gonna call this one Etach-A-Sketch IO, bro. Sick. All right, so to keep on with our vibe coding style, bro, there's gonna be some of this shit. Yo, holy shit. Yo, what's going on? We made it. Oh, nice, dude. Crazy, bro. Just craziness. Sick, chat. Alright, well, it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna disable the chat after chat. Solely on YouTube. That's crazy. Bro, that's crazy. We've never had a fucking scam raid on YouTube before. I guess the first for everything, right? Alright, anyways. Let's continue doing what we're doing. We do not have much time. We cannot let the fucking retards derail the shit. Yeah, I was creating a repo. Alright, for fun, we're gonna see what the anti-gravity can do here. So let's open that repo. It's just gonna be empty, chat. Yeah, that was good that we finished the other thing though. Yeah, ask a question about GitHub. Yo, what's good? What's about GitHub? What do you need to know, my man? Oh, I found it. Huge. I don't know why there's so many of these like pump fun fucking crypto bros in my fucking YouTube, dude. They like think we're gonna like fall for a fucking scam. Like the fuck? Especially when it's like obvious, like it's like the only thing that shit gets used for is like rug pulls and shit. Let's toss Antigravity this and see what he does. Fuck. Yeah, I guess we can start a new conversation for it. I don't know why I just won't open in this thing. Here we go. Let's see what she spits out, bro. Boom. It's just like a little thing for fun chat. We're gonna see. I've never used like any gaming repos or like libraries before for like React, and this the EXO thing seems cool. I wonder what we can do with that, because that like tracks like the back and forth like shaking and gyroscoping. So if we play with this and learn it a little bit, we can actually learn some cool shit. Damn. I will just let the clanker clank out. Yo, thank you to all the people saying happy birthday. And you're right, it is a waste of time, dudes. A, I don't have a Solana address. B, you guys are saying some shit about funding a project you know nothing about, when literally all I'm doing is vibe coding a little thing for fun right now. So that's pretty retarded. You want people to buy into a coin It's like, holy shit, dude. What is this cringe activities? Like, get a fucking job, man. I don't know. Like, I'm not buying into some fucking coin, dude. That's crazy. Like, maybe if you're like trying to get money out of people, at least like make it not like the most sketchy shit, you know? At least try and be convincing. Alright, we got this implementation plan here. Okay, nice. It's picking React Native view shot. What is view shot? Capture the canvas view as PNG. Cool. Okay. So the Expo stuff is essentially just all for the Android and iOS. And then everything else is just going to be for... like, all the React stuff is for the web app. Alright, cool. Alright, well, unfortunately, we only have 45 minutes left, chat, but... let's see what's good here. Let's just toss the implementation plan into... just tell it to save it. Nope. Off. Hear me, chat. Mr. Bodine. Dude, Odin's in the back, just cozy, snuggling in his blankie, dude. Okay. Okay, so we have the implementation plan. Let's toss this into the fucking chat GPT, dude. And just get it to review it. We're doing a minimal actual development today. We're just gonna see what the clankers can do. lot of mistakes here. Alright, I would just let this guy do his thing. Holy. Reviewed it. Solid, very executable. Main improvements. Run to. Okay. Boom. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of funny. It's pretty entertaining, guys. It's like I shouldn't even have to explain, dude. It's like begging somebody to take money for sure, bro. How the real world works. Like there's literally so many ways that if one really wanted to support, they could just donate without trying to scam somebody, you know? It's like, what the fuck? And the funny thing is like nobody has even said the name of like said shit. They're just like, look it up. Toss into Mr. Etach-A-Sketch, bro. Bang. Big thing. Alright, fuck it. Boom. Just let it go in, dude. Creating the Expo app scaffold. So let me shut this thing off in the back. This fucking thing go, dude. Holy crap, it's just building it out, man. Kind of crazy. Bring us back to the childhood, dude. Get a little Etch-A-Sketch action going. Motherfucker just says working, dude. What's he working on? Oh, he's just literally just fucking, okay, just making shit. Word. The knob joist fixes component got a bit messy with the label. Jesus, dude. Last time we did this, it used a lot more checkpoints. Now it's just like actually just going in. Cool. Although I wonder if we can just open this in the... Oh yeah, see, this is what I'm used to seeing right here. Okay, here we go. Let's see that. This one actually shows you all the stuff now. Very neat. Very neat, chat. Yeah, thanks for the view boost on my birthday though. It's pretty chill. I appreciate it. At least on the YouTube. Oh shit. Verify the web builder works by running the TypeScript compiler check. Huge. It's like these guys literally don't think I know what pump fun is, dude. When I literally have invested in crypto before and have been in crypto Twitter spaces. Like the classic fucking meme coin fucking rug pull platform, bro. No one serious about crypto fucking is on pump fun, dude. Invest in the shit that actually matters, not fucking memes. Yeah, just like ruin the vibes for no reason, dudes. Well, shit, this thing just like one-shotted this. Hopefully, we'll see what it's like when we build it in the actual browser and test it out, but... Oh, fuck. Yo, never mind, this thing's getting fucked. Oh, those are just packages that I needed. Yes. Whatever first order. Yeah, we're upgrading the SDK. It's crazy how I actually mentioned earlier about how nobody said the name of the coin, and for fun, I'm scrolling up back through the chat, and still not a single person said any shit about that. Oh well. Sorry, chat. I was gonna entertain it for fun, but they all got mad that I didn't just immediately fucking fall into their scam. So, unfortunate. It's like if shit wasn't a scam, you wouldn't get mad at somebody for being skeptical and not just immediately jumping to some random shit. It's like, bro, you do not think I've been raided before by cryptos? Like, and fucking A-rated? Like, holy shit, dude. Been on the internet for enough time. At least YouTube makes it easy because you can just like disable the entire chat on fucking VOD replay and shit. Wait, C/temp. Wait, let me check this folder, Joe. What the fuck is going on here? Dude, who is this mystical dev you speak of? This folder is like, what does it mean? Temp? The fuck? Okay. I literally looked up this guy's YouTube and saw nothing about fucking crypto. And the video that they mentioned was about this guy's like Claude terminal thing he developed. It's like anyways. Sorry, the vibe got ruined, chat. I know it was supposed to be just like a quick stream. We got like 15 minutes left. Let's see if we can actually like, get the app running, and we'll see how it goes. I mean, this VOD was going to be edited down into a little video showing us like totally vibe coding the thing from scratch with like no real human development as like an experiment, but that entirely just got ruined. So I'm probably gonna have to like record another video on the side, but it is what it is, dude. You roll with the punches of life. Unfortunate, because today was a pretty good day. We're installing more React dependencies. Include JSX and the okay. So it seems like it built out the iOS and the Android first, and now we're building out the actual React like web page. And now it's like debugging itself. That's pretty sick. They're so mad, dude. I literally even tried looking up the shit that they were saying, and they couldn't even like make up something that made sense. Like, I don't know. Like this like token that they said doesn't even exist. I even went to Pump Fund and search it up. Like, I don't know. Causes your errors. Hell yeah. Oh, we're launching it, dude. You're not using web. Please ensure you remove the web surf string from it. Oh shit. Okay. Damn, this thing's kind of popping the fuck off. Damn, dude, somebody actually did make a little coin. And they tried pumping it up. Unfortunate. It's like, imagine if you didn't just raid random people and harass them when they're just trying to chill on their birthday. And like didn't just like berate them and do all that shit. Maybe you could have won some money, but nah. You just had to like ruin the vibe and like fucking just destroy their fucking birthday essentially, and then try and blame it on them. Like, that makes no fucking sense, dude. These fucking people, dude. And then they tell me to get a job and all this bullshit when it's like, dude, you guys are the ones that are gambling on cryptocurrency online. Like, the fuck? Crazy. So whatever, chat. At least everyone else has been chill. At least it's been a relatively nice day. I got like 15 minutes before I gotta leave for birthday dinner, so I was hoping we can get this run. Oh shit. Okay, here we go. It's launching, chats. It's trying to launch. Oh shit, dude. Okay. Yo, look at that, dude. It actually one-shotted this little Etch-A-Sketch thingy. Able to reset? Okay. You always start from the middle, I guess. Very nice. Dude, if I had something like this on my iPod growing up, like when I was in high school, this shit would have been fucking crazy. You know, well, I'll say considering it took us like, what, like 15, 20 minutes? Cool. I wonder if like the iOS version and the Android version, if you have to like, can we launch that as an emulator in here? I don't know, I'll have to check it out. I mean, this is just something I made for fun. Like I literally just had an idea. I just wanted to see like, oh, could you just quickly one-shot vibe code like a little game or something like this? It was just like a proof of concept. I am like actually coding something for like business purposes though, but I'm not really doing that right now, or like much of that on stream. And I am a developer, like in my real job. Like, I have a computer engineering degree and everything, so which is why I'm not so willing to just randomly jump into some random shit. Like, this is not the first time I've had crypto people come into stream or hate raids or just random shits, and it's almost always used to try and scam people. especially if people have money on the shit and they don't want to lose the money. It's like, okay, well, why would you be so hostile? Like, that makes absolutely no fucking sense. Like, you just ruined it for yourself. Especially when you have like 300 or 400 people like all coming at the same time. Like, it literally just looks like a raid, dude. So like, I've literally had people come into stream with like contracts or like business proposals, and they were chill about it, and I heard them out and stuff, and like done stuff off stream and like collabed and stuff, but they like literally did it the normal way of like contacting you, like either not on stream or like just being like, yo, check your DMs, I have something for you, and they'll be like, okay, check that shit later or some shit. Like, if somebody wants to work with somebody, usually you like coordinate it, and like you can make it bigger and like prepared, instead of just like randomly bomb somebody in the middle of their shit while they're already planned to do other stuff. So I mean, because if you guys were actually trying to fund developers or try to do like some real shit, it's like I actually do have like a business thing I'm working on right now that like we could have worked something out if that was like a legit community thing, but like, yeah, that's literally just ruined now. So I mean, it's like, okay, dude, nice. I mean, fuck, we already used this, but does this reset soon? So the resets must be weird, because last time I used all the stuff, it reset in 7 days, but I guess maybe you get a 5-hour reset and then you get a 7-day reset? I'm not sure, but... Okay. I mean, it was working fine. I don't know why it needs to do all this shit. Anyways, well, the few that stuck around at the end seem kind of chill, so sorry if you, like, sorry if you kind of got fucked with that whole shit, but, like, I mean, damn, dude. That's unfortunate. Like, especially since, like, one of my family members has literally gotten, like, their entire, like, life savings stolen from them from similar shit. Like, definitely just not about that life. Like, I've personally invested in crypto and shit, but I'm not like that pump fund kind of shit, you know, or like rug pulling people or shit like that. It's or like, here, download this fucking wallet or some shit, and like have all your other fucking shit drained from you. It's like, oh, nice, dude. I know somebody that's literally happened to as well. But anyways, the stream's pretty much coming to an end. Got a few minutes left. I mean, we got this one thing working. It wasn't exactly how I planned it to be, but at the same time, I gave it one prompt. It built the entire thing. and I didn't really get much input. For it to do all that by itself, though, that was pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie. Usually whenever I code, because like I'm kind of new to coding with AI, I've only been doing it for a few weeks now. But usually when I code, like I code by myself manually and have the AI like implement features and shit with me, and then I manually like review, analyze the code, and go in and edit things. So just seeing it able to do this by itself, I mean, you could scaffold projects pretty good. Sending termination request to commands. Okay, this shit is taking a while. Maybe I have to exit the web app here. Closed it. Seeing how it goes. What do you mean there's 2K going into the void? Doesn't like the person that make the coin, like don't they just like steal that? Like isn't that usually how it works? Like everyone like puts in a shit ton of money and then the person that makes the coin is like, I'm gonna steal your shit, and then they just like instantly pop it all. Like I've seen that happen so many fucking times. I mean, that's literally why, like, at the start when people were like telling me to get a crypto wallet and buy into the coin, I'm like, dude, what the fuck? Like who just does that midstream is like, oh yeah, dude, let me just like participate in this random crypto shit that like people I don't even know are like raiding the stream telling me to do it. Like that seems so sketch, dude. Because like I don't know if it was, I don't know if it's probably like you guys, but like it was like literally like people were telling like the other people at the start were like, buy this coin. It's like, what? You see the person who gets fees, where the coin gets fees for every transaction who buys the coin, and it's the dev's job to route the fees to the wallets of his. I mean, why would the dev ever do that though? That's what I'm saying. Like that makes no sense. Why would the person ever do that? Like why would they not just pocket all the shit? Like unless you were like legitimately trying to like help somebody you know, but nobody knows me. That's the thing. Which makes it even weirder because it's like I could understand if I was like a big ass streamer or some shit, but I'm literally just some random guy. So it's like it literally just makes it seem like it's just extra weird. I mean, like I was like open to like learning about it and shit, but are you ready? We have to leave. Yeah, I'm down to leave. I mean, you could have chilled in here, dude. I mean, I had the most wild stream. Like you don't even understand. Like this shit that happened on YouTube was fucking crazy. So I'm probably just gonna have to like delete my bot or some shit. I don't know, because I don't really know if that's even against like fucking the TOS or some shit. But yeah. I mean, I didn't show any of it on stream, so I mean, I guess maybe not, but that will have the best entry in the coin, so when he routes the fees to your coin, people will see it. It will create loads of hype for the coin, and he will make so much money. See, it's like... It's like, well, why didn't people just say that? Or like when I asked for like what even was the coin, like the first couple minutes into it, nobody even mentioned what it was, dude. So it's like, goddamn. I mean, I low-key like feel like part of me like dude, like I'm not an asshole. Like part of me feels kind of bad that like other people like lost money and shit on something, but at the same time the other part of me is like, well, it's like I never asked to be part of this shit, dude. Like holy shit, I was just trying to vibe out and chill for like the last like hour on my birthday before I had to go to birthday dinner, dude. And then all of a sudden I just get hit with this shit. I mean, that's the whole reason why I stopped like fucking with a bunch of the crypto space, is because like a lot of it is just used to like manipulate and like fucking do all that shit. And then like there's people literally in the chat being like, he's not a Claude developer, he's just some random guy. And like I literally know about like how the crypto people were trying to use the Claude project, and like the creator Peter was even talking about how it was stupid how like people are trying to use his project to scam people with crypto. So it's like they even mentioned that shit in the chat. So it's like, what do you expect me to think? Somebody who's actually informed on this shit. Like, of course I'm gonna think it's some scammy shit, dude. Like, I don't know. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Thank you for actually explaining, like, how the pump shit worked, because... I mean, like I said, I've never really, like, bought off pump fund, so it's, like, it's kind of, like, nice to, like, actually learn something, so thank you for the knowledge there, but... And, I mean, I even checked out the coin, like, on stream, like, the person that actually linked the address, because like the first time I went to Pump Fund and I searched up the Claude man, Johnny the Claude man, it didn't pop up, but like after I used that address or whatever, it popped up. So I was like, oh, it actually like is a thing. So but yeah, dude, I mean, shit. Well, I hope everyone has a great night, dude. Unfortunately, I gotta go to my birthday dinner now. But that was a wild event, I won't lie. Maybe it's just like a bit of entertainment. But yeah, I hope y'all have a great night, and probably just didn't have the right settings on. Yeah, I don't even know, dude. To be honest, like I've never actually like I've kind of steered clear of Pump Fund, because like I looked into it when I was like actually like in crypto and more into it, but the more I looked into it, the more sketchy everything seemed. And that's when like there was that whole wave of like everyone rug pulling, everyone scamming, like the stream clips, the motherfuckers streaming on there and like being like, hi, you all got fucked, like literally having like presentations to show people after fucking them and rug pulling them. It's like damn, dude. So like I don't know, I literally just thought it was like, oh, just another one of those things. But like dude, had it literally just been like a few people like you coming in first to like actually explaining what the hell was going on before like the whole raid of people came in, it's like, I would have probably been more receptive to it, you know, because then it's like kind of like a everybody wins situation. But because it was like, I guess done like that, dude, I instantly was just like, because like I said, it's not the first time I've had people come into the stream being like, yo, buy my coin, like do this, do that, like, like, yo, like test out my game or some shit. And it's literally like a phishing link and shit like that. It's like as a streamer, you see this shit so many times. So, I mean, like I said, but yeah, man. Sorry for if you're actually interested in what's going on here. Sorry for the stream being boring. I was kind of like derailed by all that shit going on and all that, but I don't know what this is even doing, dude. It says it's been starting the web for so long, like I just have to like manually stop it, I guess. Like I just do not know what it's doing anymore. But anyways, I really have to go to my birthday dinner now. I appreciate everyone sticking around. Appreciate everyone that was chilling, vibing out. I'll actually be back later tonight to actually work on this more and get everything actually looking like the app we're supposed to make it. So yeah, dudes, peace out. Hope everyone has a good night. If I don't see y'all later, and take care. Later.